Like most Toyotas, the all-new Corolla hatchback can be described as simple, safe, and reliable. That's no surprise to buyers familiar with the brand, but Toyota hopes its edgy styling, engaging driving experience, and excellent fuel economy will attract budget-minded enthusiasts to this pint-sized hatch. While it's true this Corolla goes up against some sporty, established offerings, its price starts at just around $20,000, which makes it worth a serious look. This hatchback has agile, tied-down handling, especially in comparison to the current Corolla sedan. The suspension is tight without being rigid, keeping the car planted through corners with limited body lean. Our testers enjoyed its quick reflexes on the track as well, and applauded its balanced, predictable behavior when pushing the Corolla to its limits. All Corolla hatchbacks come with a 168 horsepower, 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. A manual transmission is available, a nod to the enthusiast buyer, but a continuously variable automatic transmission comes standard. The CVT in our test car is well tuned and does a good job keeping the revs low when driving at slow speeds. There are even simulated shifts that make the Corolla's transmission feel like a traditional automatic. The cabin delivers an acceptable level of fit and finish. We were pleasantly surprised with up-level touches like a leather-wrapped steering wheel, stitched door panels, and well-padded armrests. The front seats are nicely bolstered, but we couldn't help feeling crowded by the narrow interior. The back seat is tight on room, and adults will have to work to get in. The cargo area is also very small, but you can fold the rear seats down for additional space. Overall, the interior controls are simple and straightforward to use. Our only minor complaints are that the touchscreen display is a bit slow to respond to inputs, and we found it difficult to see the hard buttons on the sides of the screen in direct sunlight. However, Apple CarPlay is now supported, along with the Amazon Alexa Assistant. SE models come with standard automatic climate control and heated mirrors. The higher XSE trim has a dual-zone climate system, plus heated front seats and a heated steering wheel. We love that this Corolla comes with a host of standard advanced safety gear. All hatchbacks come with forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning with steering assist, and lane keeping assist. Our tested SE came in at $24,263 and included extras like an upgraded audio system, satellite radio, and blind spot warning. But if the hatchback isn't your style, you might want to wait for the all-new 2020 Corolla sedan, which this car is a preview of. For more on compact cars, check out consumerreports.org.